tutorial I will talk about ReactPy router. So let's begin. First of all, what we have to do, we have to install ReactPy router. So pip install ReactPy router. Okay, so as because of we have to, like, I'm going to copy this because we have to import it. Okay, so I'm going to press enter. So it had been installed. Now I'm going to import, sorry, from, I have to use from here, from ReactPy, import component HTML, from import route. Okay, route and simple. Now we have to write a function. So let's say component and def, I'm going to write it as a root. Okay, now let's return. So we have to write return, and we have to write simple here as we are using route. So we have to say simple dot router, and then this. Now we have to use route. So let's say okay, so I'm going to import this. This is the first URL, which is home. Now I'm going to use like another one, which is going to be, let's say, about, and we maybe have some other as well. So I'm going to save it, and I'm going to write here run route. So this will run. Now let's run this code. Python react router tutorial. I'm going to press enter. It's running. So let's go to the URL here. I'm going to go to the first in the home page. So it says home, and I'm going to give about here. So it will say about. So it's working perfectly fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.